Oh, hi! I didn't see you come in. Welcome to Zach's Stay-at-Home Chef. I'm going to teach you one of my favorite family recipes. Follow me this way. The cottage cheese sandwich is one of the cornerstones of my family's diet, as is the case when you're low income and your family came to America attached to the bottom of the Mayflower. And the reason I picked this dish is because it's very affordable and can be made by anybody, even you, my loyal viewing audience. Now the first ingredient you'll need, stay-at-home chefs, is your patented Zach Laza Stay-at-Home Chef cooking gloves. You have to get these on, that way you keep pieces of you from falling into your delectable dishes. The next two things you'll need will be a plate of your choosing and a common variety spoon. Next, you'll need garden variety white bread. Now the next step is to take your bread out of the bread bag and stick it into the toaster. While you're waiting for your bread to toast, please take time and indulge in some of your favorite activities. Once your toast is done, please distribute it to your plate, thusly, and add cottage cheese. A spoonful, make sure it's stirred up, you don't want any excess juices leaking through your bread. Distribute a spoonful onto each half of toast. And, if you please, spread it with your spoon. And remember, bon appetit, stay-at-home chefs.
Beat of music soft and sweet, I met a dusky maiden one day. With her naughty glance and charming hula dance, she made me want to linger and play. Naughty hula eyes that slyly hypnotize, that cast a spell right from the start. Deep within them lies a smile that never dies, to thrill and still my heart. Beneath dropping skies I found a